Hello there everybody! I hope you guys are safe and all in good place while you are watching this. I would just like to share to you in this video how we planned out with my family of giving special treats to our neighboring barangay police checkpoints. We split the fam into teams. I and Mama in charge for the packing. Papa, Kuya, and Ed and my cousin for the documentation and distribution.
Made it. We made it. So, bayong-bayong po na po ang naputos right here. Wait po ninyo. Okay, so, if you guys are wondering kung sa mo gamay nga palipay sa itong mga frontliners sa checkpoint. So, we give them kape, biscuits, noodles, and some canned goods para naman at least pagka-morning na sila pang breakfast. And so, pero naman niya po kung pila gini siya. I'll tell you guys kung pila and amo na din siyang arrange siya sa service para ready na din siya papangatag later on. Stay tuned!
We reach 100 packs. And it's ready for distribution. We really thank much with the generous people who reach out for this operation. As much as these people would like to stay home with their families, they go out instead and willingly do their job for the people. Kudos to all barangay police workers.